Hi friends, it's Nirmal back again with a new video. Today we'll be doing an update video on air plant care and culture. In our last video regarding air plants, we hand pollinated some of my plants to set some seeds. I was lucky enough to get 2 or 3 pots of seeds fertilized and all ready to sow. So I'll show you how the seeds look like and how we can sow air plant seeds. It's very easy, so watch the video until the end. Friends, what you're seeing right now is the seed pod and the seeds that I collected from my plant. It's the same plant that we pollinated together in the previous air plant video. The darker portion which you see on the tip of the fur-like structure is the actual seed which will germinate. So friends, if you missed out the first air plant video, I'll leave a card here to the corner of the screen where you can directly check out that video. We discuss how to take care of your plant, and it will be generally a useful video for you. Guys, in this footage you'll see a maturing seed pod which is still not ready. It will take a couple more weeks to mature and release its seeds. So now you get a general idea of how a seed pod from an air plant will look like. Friends, as usual, do consider subscribing to the channel if you're new here. Also press the bell notification button and select the all option to get all my notifications whenever I post new videos. So friends, now we'll take a look at how we can prepare the medium for sowing the seeds. So for germinating the seeds, I have decided to use 3 different medium. So the first one is coco peat, second one is sphagnum moss, and the third one contains tissue paper. So first of all, we have to sterilize each of this medium, and I am here using hot boiling water to sterilize the medium. This will kill off or destroy any harmful pathogens or fungi or mold spores that are present in the medium. Saturate the medium completely with boiling water. Once you totally moisten the medium with the hot water, you can close the lid and leave the container to cool down for at least 30 minutes. Friends, keep in mind that air plant seeds do not last long. Their viability is only limited to around 2 weeks. So it's best to harvest your seeds and sow them on the same day for best results. They have been sitting out and cooling for the past 20 to 30 minutes. From this stage onwards, keep your hands clean so that you can prevent any further contamination. You can also use hand gloves if necessary. So now we can start sowing the seeds. I have taken the tissue paper container first. I'm going to sow this much amount of seeds into it and making sure that the seed has good contact with the tissue paper. Also keep in mind to sow them in a way that all the seeds maintain ample spacing between each other and prevent crowding. Take a water spritzer or a mister and start spraying with clean water, ensuring the seeds are totally moist, and this also ensures that the seed has good contact with the medium. Here I have repeated the same steps and finished sowing the rest of the seeds in equal proportion with the other 2 mediums that we have prepared. Finally, close the container lid tightly so that a very high humidity is maintained inside the container. So friends, if we have a successful germination, this is what you can expect in 8 to 9 months. This is a baby air plant from my first batch of seed grown air plants. Guys, don't forget to visit my social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. I'll be posting updates and more information regarding gardening and plant care there. So be sure to check them out. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's air plant video. I will keep you guys posted on the progress on this particular project, and we'll see which medium works the best for air plant germination. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.